Alright, this is an important information for everyone who has an Aadhaar card. Basically, there's a chance that your Aadhaar might become invalid if you don't update it, and you have time till the 14th of September to update, because after that, it might just become invalid. The UIDAI, which is the central authority for the management of Aadhaar, has said that you have till 14th of September to update it, and till then it is free to update. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Aadhaar using the 2024 process and immediately do it, because you'll save a lot of inconvenience. Hey guys, this is Fiiber by India Today. I'm Cyrus, and in this video, I'll show you how to update your Aadhaar using very simple steps. Let's go. Before we start with the steps, I just want to inform the viewers that I've added the link in the description, which basically helps with the steps. So please follow that link. So the first thing that we have to do is go to the uidai.gov.in link, and over there you will see the My Aadhaar section. Click on that. Over there you have to select the option Demographics Data and check Status. Click on that. After that, you have to go to the login page. To log in, the procedure is pretty simple. You have to enter your Aadhaar number. After that, you will receive a CAPTCHA code which you have to enter. Then you will receive an OTP on the registered mobile number. Enter that OTP and then you will be logged in to your profile. Now here you will see a section where there is an option to update your documents. All you have to do is just go there and select that option. Now here you will be explained the process flow of how to update the documents. It's pretty simple and step by step that's been mentioned here. So just follow the procedure. I'll show you how to do it. Now here you will see all of your details, your personal details over here, and you just have to ensure that they tally. Your personal details and whatever is on the profile are exactly the same. Now after you have seen of the information and tallied it, just click on the verify option and then proceed to the next page. Now we are here at an important section of the video where it says that you have the option to update your documents. So the following steps, please watch them carefully. Now first up, the document size that you have to update has to be 2 MB in size or lesser than that, and you can upload the documents in the following formats: JPEG, PNG or PDF. Now here you have the option of uploading two documents. One is the proof of identity, which is POI, and the proof of address, POA. Now the thing is here, if you have both the documents, go ahead and upload both of the documents that you want to update. It just makes your life easier. But in case if you do not have one of these two, it's alright, you can just upload one and even that works. Now the good thing is both of these options, proof of address and identity, give you a lot of options to choose from. So you can pick any of them and then upload them on the website. Now ensure whatever document, image or any format that you're uploading, ensure that it is not password protected, because it will be difficult for them to open and verify it. Now this next step is pretty simple. You just have to make sure that the view and upload option is in front of you. You can check and verify that the document that you're uploading is the right one. Just go to that section and upload the right document and select the upload option, and that is it. Now there is an indicator where you will see a green bar. If you can see this green bar, which means that the document has been uploaded correctly. We have to repeat the same process for the option that you see below it, and after that you will have to give your consent that you're uploading these documents, and you have to press accept, which means that you have given consent to the upload of these documents. After that, we have to just select the pop-up option, and post that you will see an option which clearly says that you do not have to pay any kind of a fee to process this kind of an updation, which will verify that your documents will be updated. Now post this process is completed, you will get an acknowledgement slip. Please take care of that, download it and keep it ready with you. If there is any discrepancy in the future, you can always use this acknowledgement slip. You also have the option on the website to track your application status. So basically, if you have sent it for an updation, you can track it on the website. It's pretty easy. Just make sure you have the acknowledgement number with you. So that's it. It's a pretty simple process of updating your Aadhaar, and I showed you how you can do it. Very easy steps. Go and do it, and make sure that you update it before the 14th of September, because after that there are chances that it might be invalid and you will not be able to update it for free. So right now it's free. Go and do it, and let us know in the comment section if you are facing any difficulties. We will try to help you out. That's it for this video. Do stay tuned to Fiiber for all tech, and remember, we will be back with some more informational videos like these. Take care, you guys.